Hi, this video is about work orders. For any project you're managing, you can create a work order by selecting your project, going to Procurement, and clicking on Work Order. From here, you can create work orders and send them directly to your contractors from within the software. To get started, click Create Work Order. Enter the title, issue date, and due date. Then add your vendor details by clicking Add Vendor Details. You can select from your existing vendors or click Add New Vendor to add one. You can also update the shipping address or ship to your business address if that's what you need. To add the materials or scope of work you want to send to your contractor, click Add Manually, then enter the required work details. Add a rate, or if your vendor already provided a rate in the RFQ. For example, if you're converting an accepted RFQ into a work order, that price will automatically be reflected. You can also click Add from Library to select items directly for the work order. Just update the units and set your terms and conditions by clicking Choose from Template and selecting the template you need. Once everything's ready, you can send the work order by email or SMS directly from the software. Or, if you'd rather save it without sending it yet, click Create to keep it within the system. You'll be able to see the status of any RFQs you've sent, and once your contractor responds, the status will update automatically. You can also send the work order directly from here. Or by clicking the three-dot menu, you can preview it, send it, update its progress, or edit it. Clicking Update Progress lets you track and update the progress of the work. Thank you.